Hello, I'm Harshita. I'm from Rab Bahadur Y Mahabaleshwarappa Engineering College, and I'm currently pursuing a final semester in Electronics and Communication branch, and I'm from Bellary. I came to know about Career Labs through our placement department. During this COVID situation, they have given us a free online webinar session. There, I have attended the online webinars conducted by the Career Labs, and I like the way the whole process they have explained me to get my dream job, achieve my goal. So I have really impressed about their procedure. So and I have chosen the Career Labs over other because here I like one-on-one mentoring, and initially they give us a test which will realize about ourselves and about the personal call and PGA call also. All this made me impressed to join Career Labs. Once I have entered to this Career Labs, I first initially they have given me a test where this test belongs to introduce myself or explore about myself, like a strength and weakness of mine, and which all the domains I like. All these kind of questions they are going to give over in that test, and there I got so much of clarity about myself. So after this test, they are going to call us, and that is called as a mentor call. There we have like tell us about what are our strength and which are the domain we are liking, and what are the required skills to develop in that domain. They are going to tell in that mentor call. Like in the mentor call, I got call from my mentor. Her name is Kritika Srinivasan ma'am. She have spoken with me a very in a good manner, and she have taught me that she asked me which all domains you are like, and from what are your strength and weakness. She asked everything, and she have told me about my path of choosing a career, and she have helped me to choose the particular domains where I'm interested in. After the PGA call or mentor call, I have got a starter pack where we can choose to choose the six domains. Like I have chosen embedded, IoT, VLSI, front and web development, and C++ programming. I have chosen these all things, and I have explored each and every domain. Initially, I was a bit confused in which particular domain I have to move. From After seeing 1 month of starter pack course, after exploring all those things, I got so much of clarity about my domain, and in which domain I have interested, and that starter packs help me to explore about all the domains. After my starter pack course, I have chosen an advanced course on IoT because I am from electronics and communication background, and I have done in my college projects based on IoT only, and I have chosen here also an IoT because it helped me more in taking a projects in my colleges, and here I have learned the many projects, and one good thing about Career Labs is that I have here they are providing us a hands-on experience, which means that practically they are providing us some kits to us to do demo of the projects, which helps us to understand not only a theoretical concept but also a practical knowledge also, which helps me a lot in gaining the knowledge even practically too, which makes me more confident than before. And here they are going to provide us many projects which helps us to improve in this particular domain. Other webinars also have been conducted through the Career Labs, where I would like to thank for Kritika Srinivasan ma'am, because she have taken such a wonderful topics every month, like building a CV, and build projects, what all that project have to be taken, and publishing of the papers, and research domain, how to get into the research domain, and building up of a CV. All the things she have taken a wonderful topics, and I got more clarity about all those things, and yeah, I have published a research paper on my project, which made me feel good. I would like to thank Kritika Srinivasan ma'am because she have taught me a very good information in the webinar. Customer system in Career Labs is very good because since from the beginning I have many queries in my mind and I just put it over to them, and they are responding for each and every messages which I have posted, because like the way from initial getting my kit till placement, I have got wonderful support system from the Career Labs, and I would like to thank for Apurva ma'am. She have been helping me in the placement, and if I ask any doubts regarding the placements, and she's always been there for me to solve my doubts, and helping me to get placed in the company. And other thing, and seeing my CV and finding my mistakes what I have done in the CV, all the system support have done that. And I would like to thank for entire Career Lab team to helping me out. I like to suggest to all who have thinking to choose Career Labs, because in the entire process is preparing us for required skills for our dream job. We have to dream, okay, but for that, to get a dream job, we should required skills also. Here Career Labs do that. They will prepare with required skills to get a dream job or to achieve your goal. So I would like to tell everyone that I have very much doubt before joining to the Career Labs, like in which domain I have to go and what will be, how will be, like we really don't know what MNC companies work, and we are learning very basics in engineering life, and we don't know what the company actually required from us. Here Career Lab teach us what are the company requirement, so that helps us to clear the interviews bit better than only a basic engineering knowledge. So from that I have improved very much. So from this I would like to tell, yeah, you can choose a Career Labs because I have great experience here. I have selected for Ad Astra company. Before I have attended the interview. Here in the Career Labs, they are going to give us a mock interviews where we can practice a interview, because we as a beginner or a fresher, we are bit nervous to give interviews. But here in the Career Labs, they are virtually creating us a interview, like a mock interview, and they are reducing our nervousness. And after they are going to give us actual interview. And I didn't feel nervous during my interview process, because they have practices us about the interviews and all. So I have attended the interview. First round is a group discussion which already trained by the Career Labs for us. So there I have selected for the next round, and after the next round it is a interview round where they are going to ask about technicals and behavioral questions, and from that I have selected for that company. So this is about my selection process of Ad Astra company.